Do you want to produce sustainable garment? I am Sheikh H.M. Mustafiz, Managing Director of Dress Industry Ltd, a package solution of sustainable garment manufacturing company in Bangladesh. It is necessary to make a sustainable production. I will show you why. First of all, we want to take care of this planet. Our factory is an energy efficient factory by using solar panel, energy efficient light and machineries. We are also using water efficient recycling system, and our factory is built up based on US Green Building Council guideline. Many industries in Bangladesh, they are dumping their wastages in this river, and you can see the water quality, and we don't want to be part of this. This is a serious matter now, and we build up Dress Industry Ltd to make a contrast than conventional way. The Dress is a change maker of sustainable production. Secondly, we want to take care of our people who are working for us. Our factory is BSCI approved factory. We are paying our workers on time. We are providing maternity and paternity benefits to our workers, medical care and childcare center. We have a dining facilities and pure drinking water facilities. And on the top of everything, we provide free transportation for our workers. We have attendance bonus, and we have on-site skill training center. Thirdly, we want to make all our supply chain from sustainable source, and we want to use all our material sustainable way. Even though we are making conventional and luxury fabric, but we are emphasizing on sustainable fabric nowadays. If you want a certified GOTS or GRS product, we can supply you the whole product from fiber to fashion. We also work with BCI cotton, OCS cotton, RCS cotton, merino wool, kapok blend, etc. We are using FSC certified paper hang tag, biodegradable or recycled polybag, eco-friendly desiccant or silica gel, recycled polyester made sewing thread. So what are you waiting for? Send your tech pack, get a quote, and start partnering with Dress Industry Ltd for a sustainable and greener future. This is Dress Industry Ltd and different than many others.